Welcome, here I've got OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner. When we tap on this button, we can open more advanced camera options, and here we have the shooter sound. By using the button from the right, we can turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera, and when I take another picture, we can't hear anything. And of course, to turn it on again, let's tap to the right corner, then to this button with shutter sound, and we can hear it when we take another picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.